Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So, in the last class, we have revised the lesson, the human body, isn't it? So, today we shall revise some of the important points from the lesson and we'll revise the book back exercises. Okay? So, the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are the sense organs through which we know about the world around us. The second one, a group of organs in the body working together to do an important job is called an organ system. So, what is an organ system? A group of organs that work together to do an important job is called an organ system, isn't it? And we have learned that there are several organ systems in our body, isn't it? Third one, the main organ systems are the skeletal system, the muscular system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, the reproductive system, and the nervous system. And we have learnt all these systems briefly in the last class, isn't it? The skeletal system gives shape to the body, protects the organs, and helps in movement. The muscular system helps in moving body parts. The digestive system helps in digesting food. The next one, the respiratory system helps us take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The circulatory system helps to carry blood to all parts of the body. The excretory system helps in throwing out waste from the body. The reproductive system helps in producing babies. The nervous system controls all parts of the body. So these are all the important points from the lesson. So now we will do the book back exercises. Okay. First one, multiple choice questions. First question, which of these is a sense organ? Options are eye, ear, tongue, all of these. Which of these is a sense organ? So all the three are the sense organs, isn't it? So the answer is all of these. Okay. The second question, which of these organ systems protects the soft organs of the body? The digestive system, the muscular system, the skeletal system, the respiratory system. Which one is correct? The skeletal system. It protects the soft organs inside our body, isn't it? Next one, which of these is a function of the respiratory system? Moving a body part? No. Giving shape to the body? No. Taking in oxygen? Yes, isn't it? The answer is taking in oxygen. Fourth one, which of these materials is carried through the human body? Oxygen? Yes. Digested food? Yes. Carbon dioxide? Yes. So the answer is all of these, isn't it? So the blood carries oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body, and it also collects the waste from all parts of the body, isn't it? Carbon dioxide. So the answer is all of these. Okay. The fifth one, which of these organs controls all the systems in the body? Just now we have seen, isn't it? Heart? No. Kidney? No. Brain? Yes. So brain controls all the organ systems in our body. So the answer is brain. Okay. The next one, match the words in the two columns. So we are going to match the two columns. Okay. Column A, column B. First one, digestive system. Digestive system, here small intestine, isn't it? So here one. Next one is respiratory system. So in respiratory system, which organ involved? Windpipe, isn't it? Windpipe. The next third one, circulatory system. So in circulatory system, which organ involved? Blood vessels, isn't it? So blood vessels, it is 3. Fourth one, excretory system. So which organ will comes under excretory system? Kidneys, isn't it? So fourth one is kidneys. Fifth one, nervous system. So nerves. Have you all understood, children? Yes. So we'll move on to the next one. Fill in the blanks. The 5 sense organs are, what are the 5 sense organs? Yes. You all know very well, isn't it? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, isn't it? These are the 5 sense organs. Okay. The second question, the dash move the bones by pulling at them. The dash move the bones by pulling at them. The muscles, isn't it? The muscles. The muscles move the bones by pulling at them. Third one, air enters the body through the nose, isn't it? Air enters the body through the nose. Fourth one, the heart pumps dash through the body. The heart pumps dash through the body. A red liquid, isn't it? Called blood. Blood. The heart pumps blood through the body. So fifth one, the dash keep your blood clean by throwing out urine. The dash keep your blood clean by throwing out urine. Which organ will come? Yes, kidneys, isn't it? Kidneys. The kidneys keep your blood clean by throwing out urine. Okay. The next one is, which organ is used to sense the following? So we are going to tell which organ is used to sense the following. Okay. The first one, the color of an apple. So which organ is used to see the color of an apple? Yes, eyes, isn't it? So eyes. The next one, the music on the radio. So which organ is used to hear the music? Ears, isn't it? So ears. Third one, the smell of food. How do you smell the food? Nose, isn't it? Nose. Fourth one, the taste of medicine. Tongue. Fifth one, the smoothness of clay. How do you feel the smoothness of clay? By skin, isn't it? So here, skin. Okay. So the next one is answer the following questions. Name 5 major organ systems in your body. So we have learned several organ systems in our body, isn't it? So you have to name 5 major organ systems from that. Okay. The answer is 5 major organ systems in our body are the skeletal system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, and the nervous system. Okay, these are the 5 major organ systems in our body. Second one, why does the food you eat have to be digested? Only then we get energy, isn't it? So the answer is the food that we eat has to be broken down into small, simple substances that the body can use to get energy. So to get energy, the food has to be digested. Okay. The third question. The brain is the most important organ in the body. Do you agree? Why? Answer is the brain is the most important organ in the body because it controls all the other organs and instructs each part what to do. So it is the most important organ in our body. Okay. So with that we have finished the revision of the chapter number 9. Okay. So read the lesson, go through the book back exercises. Okay. Then only you will know and you will remember. Okay. So study well. Thank you.